everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Regina, and if you're new here, wagwan, go subscribe already. So today I'm removing gel polish using my Macart 3000 RPM drill, and it is the JSDA 700 model, and as you can see, it has no trouble doing so. All the products I'll be using today will be listed in the description below. So if you want to go and purchase, you will have no trouble doing so. And also, if you check out Natalie Carmona's channel, she has a coupon code for an additional 10% off the Macart 3000 drill for even more savings. And nothing's wrong with saving a few extra dollars. So right here I'm coming in with this cone bit, and I think it is good for this, what I'm doing right here. I'm thinning the area around the nail bed because it is lifting and I need it to be off, and the coarse bit was not removing it. And this bit I can also clean underneath the nails and, you know, get them ready for the application of the acrylic, and I love it. It's perfect, and it will also be in the description below. Here I'm coming in with my 91% alcohol, and this is to clean all the debris and dust off of the bed of the nails and make it ready for application. Okay, next you want to add your nail prep dehydrator, and you want to wait a few seconds before you move on to your next step. Your next step is to add an acid-free primer to the bed of the nails. The reason why you want to add acid-free because it doesn't burn if the person has a little nick or scratch or anything on their nails. They won't be in any kind of discomfort. So the brush I'm using today is my Poochiez number 8 100% Kolinsky brush, and it was originally round, but I'm a crimped brush kind of girl, so I used my pliers and I crimped it, and I love it. It works so good. It didn't lose its shape because I crimped it. So I would recommend, if you want a brush that is really high quality and good for application, that you can purchase a brush from Poochiez, the nail boutique, and I could leave that link also in the description below. So this finger here was missing a whole entire nail, so I had to add a new nail tip, and it had this little line in it, so it's not my application that leaves that dry line in the nail. It just was there from the glue, and they're gonna be polished with bright colors anyway, so that little line won't be showing. So just so you know, I didn't put dry acrylic inside the nails. Had to clear that up real quick. So after all that filing, I'm coming in with my alcohol pad, and I'm gonna be cleaning the surface of the nails. If she would just put that thing down. Ugh. Working with your children is a trip. I'm telling you that right now. They want to do all kind of stuff while you're actually working. So my daughter decided to polish her own nails, so part 2 will come soon. Bye for now, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And always remember to be fly.